morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the nation's favourite, the undisputed king of vegan mayonnaise, Hellmann's. Other brands are available, but no one really comes as close to these guys up until now. So, let's give these guys a little bit of love, but time to say goodbye. I'm going to be showing you how to get as close as you can to the original recipe, yeah? Without the preservatives, without any mass-produced chemicals, without anything like that, okay? Very easy to make. Now, before we continue, I need to give recognition and credit to the creator of this recipe, whose name is Chef Rory Flood, and the second is Chef Pascal Gaston. The two of them work together at Salesforce Tower in London on the Ohana floor, which is where the food is served, and therefore we're going to be calling this Ohana Mayonaise. And the thing is with these two, they're not even vegan. Yet, they've gone out of their way to make sure that the vegans in the office can also enjoy some amazing vegan mayonnaise that's pretty much as close as you're going to get to the real thing. So a massive salute to you guys for being allies to the cause, and it's thanks to you guys that I'm never buying vegan mayonnaise again. So very easy to make. The total cost of this will be around 30 cents instead of like £3 for a jar. You don't need to buy it anymore. Again, this is the closest you're going to get. The only thing is, you're going to need one of these bad boys, right? Unfortunately, if you don't have it, it's going to be tricky to make without it. So do invest in one of these. I mean, if you eat mayonnaise at the rate that we do, the return on your investment, I mean, £3, 20 cents, makes sense to just buy one of these and make it yourself. Guys, thanks again to the lads at Salesforce Tower. Let's get cooking.
Goodness me, lads, it looks like I completely forgot. As always, please, if you enjoy vegan and vegetarian food, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I love you all very, very much. Have an amazing day and take care. So for this recipe, I'm going to give you the amount you need to fill 1 jar of Hellmann's mayonnaise. I'm using 6 tablespoons of aquafaba, which is the snotty, thick liquid that comes out of a can of chickpeas or butter beans. And that's going to be used as our egg replacement for the emulsifier. Next, salt to taste, which is going to be adjusted throughout the whole process. Pepper, about 1 teaspoon is fine. Mustard, I'm using French Dijon mustard, but you can use English mustard. If you're going to use English mustard, just put a bit less in it because it's very strong. So for the mustard, I'm using about 3 teaspoons. And you're going to want 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Next, you're going to want either sunflower or vegetable oil. It's between 200 to 400 grams or milliliters. It's a bit hard to predict because there's quite a few factors involved depending on the kind of chickpeas that you're using and how much they've been cooked for. But you're going to pour it in slowly but surely until you get the desired consistency. But brace yourself for around 200 to about 400 milliliters or grams of oil. So we're going to start off by adding our 3 tablespoons of aquafaba, and we're going to give it an initial blitz using our hand blender. Once it starts frothing up, please feel free to add all your ingredients, including the vinegar, which for some reason I forgot to add in this shot. And just keep giving it a blitz. And then what we're going to do is slowly add our oil in. Okay, you don't want to do it too fast and you don't want to add too much at this stage. Just keep adding it about 2-3 tablespoons at a time until you get the consistency that you require. And from time to time, don't forget to taste it. You'll notice that you're going to want to add a bit more salt here and there, a bit more mustard. The vinegar, I didn't add any more than I initially did. That was enough for me, but the mustard definitely helps. Now if you see that you've overdone it and the mayonnaise is split, you've got 2 options. 1, congratulations, you've just made salad cream. Option number 2, we're going to have to fix it. Now by fixing it, it's not that complicated. We're going to get a clean bowl, we're going to add the 3 extra tablespoons of aquafaba, we're going to blitz it up until it becomes frothy, and then we're going to add the so-called salad cream into it until it becomes the mayonnaise consistency. Now once you have reached your desired consistency, don't forget, once you refrigerate it and it's cold, it's obviously going to stabilize even more. Okay, so don't worry about that too much. Just get it to the nice consistency that we want and the nice taste. And just a bit of useless information that Chef Pascal was teaching while I learned how to make this is that the concept of using aquafaba as an egg replacement originally comes from a French opera singer called Joël Roussel, who was experimenting one day with aquafaba and realized that, hey, you can make mayonnaise out of this, you can make meringue, you can make quite a lot of things. I believe he had the idea while he was riding a bus. And now look where we are today, multi-million-dollar industry. Who would have thought an opera singer would have come up with such a thing? See, you learn something new every day, folks. And I managed to find an article on that on Google, so I'll put a link in the description in case you're curious. And yeah, you can check it out for yourselves. And that's about it, guys. This is a very, very simple recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Please do go ahead and try it for yourselves. And as always, if you did happen to enjoy this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And finally, once again, a huge thanks to Chef Rory Flood and Chef Pascal Gaston. It's been an absolute pleasure. Have an amazing day, guys, and take care.